Thank you very much, starter. You tried. Hey everyone, welcome back. We were at Menards. It's the local hardware store, and the starter just sounded sick. And the very next time we tried to start it up, it did nothing. I had to go in, buy a little 2-pound hammer. This is the one. And gave it a couple taps. It started up. Here it is. I had to push her in the shop. It's kind of fun because you get to add another hammer to the list or to your group of hammers. That's not a hammer. Ultima starter. That starter came with a warranty, limited lifetime warranty, so as long as we own the Jeep, we get to return it if it stops working. The last one was replaced in May, and it is February, so it lasted about 8 months, 9 months. Yeah, something like that. Mooser man, he's ready to go. Moose, let's see if this starts up. It's your glow plug right there. Don't let it fool ya. It started. We'll do it again. Let's just say this. It's warm in the shop. We've got the heater on over here. And it started twice actually, but the reason we had to push it in is because when I tried to start it when it was cold out, just a little bit cold. Cut that off. It would not go. It was very slow, sluggish. So here we are. Today I'm going to show you how we install this starter. I think it's just got 3 bolts on it. Let's pull it out of the box right here and take a look. So we have got 1, 2, and 3 bolts for this. The problem is this one right back here is hard to get to. One of these are hard to get to. Maybe it's this side. We'll find out. Let's go under there. If you're doing this job, don't be overwhelmed by it. I tell you what, there's 3 bolts. 3 bolts to get that starter off and to mount it back up. One of the bolts is really tough to get to. It's kind of like you got 1 elbow, but you need 2. So your elbow and your wrist, but you need another elbow right in the middle. Stay. You don't have to stay though, buddy. Now I've done this before. Like I said, this is going to be under warranty. $252 for that starter. So we'll take the core and return it and get our money back. It's going to be good. O'Reilly does a really good job with that. We're going to grab the 1/4 inch. And there you go. How about a long extension? How about a short extension? Where's the short extension? There it is. I think that's going to be all we need. Pretty simple so far. Let's grab our light from Harbor Freight. Yep. Grab our battery. For those of you who are new here, this is not a gas, or this isn't the 3.7. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. This is the 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine. So it's going to be different. It's a Jeep CRD. I don't know how well of a shot I'm going to be able to give you guys down there. We're going to try it out though. All right, so let's see if I can hold this while I do this. So we got a little standard 10 with your 1/4 inch ratchet. Like I said, 3 bolts. So okay, here you go. You're a third of the way home. Getting rocks and stuff in my eyes. Okay, there we go. There's one. This is the bottom right. Remember that. You got a bottom right, you got a top right, and you got a top left. Moose likes to hang out right down here with me, which is okay. I just gotta have patience with him. Here's our top right. There it comes. The Jeep is not jacked up. It also is not lifted. There's enough space where I can get under here with tools and a pretty big light. Look at that right there. We got either a rear main oil leak or we've got a oil pan leak. All right, there's our top right bolt. Oh, hey, how you guys doing? Good stuff. This is a thumbs up, but it looks like a thumbs down. So check it out. I'm about 10 minutes into this whole job. And that's with talking to you guys and gals, potentially. And as you can see, the starter's ready to come out. So straight up here, I'm going to show you how I did this, but I actually grabbed a ratcheting 10. A ratcheting 10 is probably a very, very good thing to have if you're replacing the starter on the Jeep Liberty with the 2.8 liter diesel. So let's see if we can get this down without breaking anything or getting a bunch of stuff in my eyes. It kind of just wants to come out one way, and doing it one-handed is a little difficult. There goes the ratcheting wrench, and here comes our starter. Oh, let's see here. I'm gonna have to put you down because I got a wire on there. I thought I grabbed them all, but I guess I did not. Stand by. Disconnect your battery. You don't want to leave the battery connected, or you'll be in for a surprise probably. There's just a little connection on here. There, it's off. Come on down. So there we go. Call us 12 minutes in now, and I'm going to show you how I did this. So this is exactly the orientation that the starter sits on your Jeep. I'm laying on this side over here, and these two bolts right here, easy to get. Remember, this is the top right, that's the bottom right, and this is going to be the top left. This bolt stayed in while I was taking it out. Ratcheting 10. I don't go like this because I can't get it in there. There's not enough room to go this way, but if you flip it around just like this, remember your arm is going to come up from around this side, and you can get pretty decent rotation on this, and you get this thing off within 15 minutes. Good stuff. Now we're going to go ahead and put our other one on. And if you look at it, we've got our adaption piece right there. We've got our 13 right there. Moose is drinking. Good boy. Look at that sunshine. All right, this is going to be my best effort to let you see what's going on. Remember, disconnect your battery. You can see right down there, I think we might have an oil cooler leak. It's not hooked up anymore as far as the EGR goes, but anyways. Okay. What are you guys doing today? What's happening? How are we gonna do that? Let's just try to put it up there, right there. Okay. And there we go, kind of like that. Just like that. Let's see if we can get a bottom bolt in here. Hiya! If you can just get your bottom one in and get it started, you'll be good. Is that in? Yeah. Bottom one, yep. Top, let's go for the top now. If you can't see, don't worry. Maybe you guys can see, I don't know. Guess if it makes it into the video, that means you could see. So there we go. I'm stuck. I remember this job being harder. Second time, I guess, is always going to be easier. That's the hope and typically the reality. Now I am going to have to reach up and over to get this one in there, and if I drop it, that's not going to be enjoyable, so bear with me. If you just reach right over the solenoid, that's your best bet to be able to find that bolt hole just right over top of it. Kind of just let your finger roll over the top and down the side, and you'll find the bolt hole. Well, there it is. I got to tell you guys, I'm relieved to have that done. I like to put my tools back. My dear wife tells me, you know, don't take any offense to this, but if you will put things back where you've gotten them from, you'll be able to find them again, because I'm losing everything all the time. Right, Mooser? For some reason, I'm more successful putting things back where I got them from in the shop instead of in the house. Do you have that same problem? Hashtag do better. Do better for the mama, for your wife. Ding! Light back. These Hercules lights from Harbor Freight do great. They don't last as long as they say they last as far as battery runtime, but they still do good. I'd buy them again. Actually, I did. I bought 2 of them. So yep, we did use a 10 and a 13 socket. Thank you very much, starter. You tried. 6 months is just not quite enough. Battery starter. As soon as I close that hood, Mooser knows that it's time to be going. We're gonna start this up real quick just to make sure it starts, and then I'll be right back. Hang on 1 second. Let's see how it sounds. Probably about the same. Now hopefully we won't have to hit it with a hammer. Should I put that 2-pound hammer in there? There's no chance that the same exact remanufactured starter could do that all over again, do you think? Just for a while, I'm gonna leave this in the back, okay? Wowzers, look at that 3-wheeler sitting there. That would fire up and run right there. We're gonna redo that gas tank and finish that thing up. It's gonna be good, I think. Look at this. I found this cute baby kitten. Oh, it's so sweet. I don't know that it's a cat, but maybe. Oh my goodness, there's lots. Look at this one. There you go. There's this one right here. Hi, Goldie. White's the only tamed one, but I think I could catch that one. Right. Can you get a moose? Get him. Get him. Nah, they're Moose's friends. It is February 1st today. That's the last of the snow, really. The tractor has not broken down one time moving snow this year because we haven't moved snow one time. Last year was broke down twice. Here they come. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, kitty, 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 kitties. Oh yeah, you're cute. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let's go start that Jeep up and let's head out of here. Wow, what a beautiful day. Thanks for being here. The hens have already come in, they're eating the cat food, so I gotta get them out of here. So I'm gonna start up the Jeep for the second time. I got all cleaned up because I'm gonna go do some errands. I'm gonna take that starter back. We'll talk to you guys next time. I hope you're having a good day. Be sure to comment, and I'll do my best as always to hang out with you online and get back to you. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Come on, Mooser. Chickens are hard to get out without a broom. Come on, guys, gals, let's go. Come on, come on. Go ahead. There you go. No, it's over there. There you go. One of these is a cat, but sometimes it's really hard to tell. Just kidding. See you guys.